used pancakes mixed with banana. Yes. Okay, that's enough. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
It's Paul and Jesse here with the Faithful Clan for 27. Welcome back. It's been about a week now since we uploaded the last video. We're back, so yeah, it's excited. So, what are we gonna eat today?
We're gonna eat bananas wrapped in pancakes.
Yeah, fried bananas. It's really good. It's like one of the Korean desserts. Oh, the baby. It's like want to eat it. Yeah, look at this. Look closer.
Yeah,
it's
tell them about
actually-
the recipe and what you used to,
It's
how you
pretty
used
good.
to eat these Nikes.
It's just banana. Could be any kind of banana, but it gotta be ripe.
How did you used to make them before they were pancakes?
We'll fry them.
These are fried too. But before they're pancakes, you use like a flour.
I mix it with the pancake mixed. Yeah, I kind of mix it up and put the banana in there, and you kind of fry it with the oil, till it's ready, till it's firm, till it's ready to eat. It's pretty good.
That's why I like the banana and the pancake mix.
Look, the banana dots.
I was frying it the whole time, but I didn't get a chance to eat it. I won't eat it. Just wait till this moment.
Me too. The only one I ate earlier was Priscilla.
Oh.
Jojo likes it.
You like it, baby?
I like that.
It's real good.
This is my favorite thing that Paul makes. I like this. I like her fried rice. And Jojo says he agrees.
Hi, Jojo. I love you too. You're so sweet. You are in Hawaii? You are sure from Hawaii? From a tropical place.
So if you want to try these,
Be careful your hair.
make your pancake batter. Cut up the bananas. Wrap the banana inside the pancake batter. And
Put it in oil.
yeah.
When the oil is sizzling, and then it's ready to
So fry it.
put it in the oil.
Good.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put it in a traditional fryer because the batter would melt through. We usually put it in a frying pan.
Yeah. It's good, Salah. Where is my... This one?
Everyone should try this. It's really good. If you need the recipe, it's very simple. You could just make a comment and we'll tell you what you need to know.
This is like a dessert,
And for a drink here, I got excess mocha. You like mocha? You should try the excess mocha.
I have milk.
It's still not here. You like
Real
it, Salah?
caffeine, real chocolate, real flavor.
Is that real caffeine?
Real coffee beans.
Let's begin right here.
Jojo can walk now. He's been walking all over the place now.
And he points at
It-
stuff.
His newest thing is actually pointing.
He's a big boy.
As soon as he started walking, like a couple days later, he starts pointing at things.
Yeah, put it up.
Jojo,
Baby, point at them.
too busy eating right now.
Yeah.
Got his hands full, so he's not gonna
Maybe
point
go.
now.
Do it, Jojo, do. Come on.
He's got his hands full.
Oh, okay, okay.
As soon as he wants to eat, he doesn't want to point right now.
He's smart. Okay, that's Jojo. That's you. That's me. That's mommy. That's Daddy.
Now that they know the kids here know how to point, show them to point the proper way with your whole hand. You don't point with one finger, you point with the whole hand. Yeah, like that.
Baby, what's for you?
He's pretending that he ate more than he did. He's like, I ate one. How about you? No, Jojo, we saw you throw it on the floor. Can't trick us,
It
Jojo.
fell on my feet. That's why I know. He's pointing. He's pointing. Did you see him pointing? He's just pointing.
That's good.
How is it today outside? Cold?
The weather is great.
It's not cold?
It's been great weather. In fact, the news was talking about how it's like too warm for January, because January is supposed to be really cold, like the lower 10s or below 0. That's what January's always been. This is the first time January's ever been this warm.
It's not normal. It's already the 15th of the month. We're like halfway there.
Probably because
January.
all the fires in Australia heating the planet up.
Not just Australia. How about Amazon fire in California?
Maybe.
With all those 3 combines, it can cause, you never know. You warm up, like atmosphere,
I'm full.
and travels everywhere. Oh, my feet. Where you going?
I'm full.
Alright,
Okay.
we're gonna turn it and let the 2 kids go, and then me and you keep eating. Because I don't think Jojo wants more. I don't know.
Where's the baby gonna go?
We tell. You move the cup out of the way now.
Doggone.
And all the garbage out of the camera.
When I
too.
eat this kind of food, I
Move
just
the garbage out of the way too. Paul,
the garbage.
off the camera.
When I eat this kind of food, it's like I'm hungry. Like I just need to eat some spicy food, Ah! No, don't touch me! Don't touch me!
That's why you gotta go outside.
That's fine. Just stay here. You're done? You're done, baby? So oily now. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me clean up your hands, okay? So they're not oil. Yeah.
How many cups of pancakes did you have to use? Batter.
I didn't really measure. I just kind of poured out. I know like how much you will it be? Hey, you pull it out. Baby. You just pull this thing out. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Look at his pointing.
Point it. He's like, I want that.
Do you want this, honey? So when the plane fly in the sky, they release CO2, right? Yeah.
I guess.
That's why it causes a lot of fire because of that, you know.
Are you waving to the baby in the mirror?
I feel like tingling right now. Like so I just sit on it. No. No, 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 no.
How do you like the pancake banana?
Look at. I can't eat it all right now. Hey, just wash your hands. Just clean your hand. No, you don't want. No, he didn't want to eat it. You smell good. You smell good. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. How many minutes? 8 minutes? Okay. Chilla, are you done? I smell something. Smell like a poop.
Oh.
Is that the baby? Could be him. I want to try some. What do you want to talk about? You need a haircut.
Oh, now you see I need a haircut.
Yeah. I gotta learn how to cut your hair. Gotta learn the style that I like. Cause you gotta like have the style, you know. That's how you look better. If I cut it the way I want to cut it, you know, it's not gonna look better. It's never gonna look better. You know?
No toilet, Scylla. No toilet.
Toilet, it's close to toilet.
I'm done. Full.
It feels like it's summer right now, you know?
It's nice and warm out.
Yeah.
Definitely not January weather.
Definitely not. This usually, you know, you have like a snow like 6 feet high.
Well,
It
January is cold. February is snowy. February is when you see all the snow.
Is it every year?
Every year. January is freezing. And February is so much snow.
But you know what? It's January almost done. So February is not that cold.
No, well, yeah, not as cold as January, but it's cold in February.
And in March, it started to get warm in March. I remember last year.
No,
it
March
was-
is just winter.
remember last year it wasn't really.
It doesn't start to get warmer until April. Pa, Priscilla?
Or June.
Priscilla, hurry up. The
Can you
baby.
get the baby, Sarah? So yeah, we're almost done. I mean, we're done. So it's a lot of them. So we're gonna keep it, for tomorrow. Just warm it up. Or you can eat it cold, I think cold is better. Look.
They're so good.
Yeah, you sure you like it? Why don't you eat it all?
If you like bananas, you like pancakes, you're gonna love, what do you call it?
Fried banana.
Oh, that's English. I thought you had like a Asian name for it.
Oh, the kuita cha.
Taquita cha.
The kuita cha.
Taquita cha.
Jaw.
Jaw.
Not jaw. Jaw.
Like your jaw.
That's not jaw. The kuita cha.
J-jaw. Ch-jaw or j-chaw?
Say the kuita cha.
Is it the j sound or the ch sound first? J-ch or
J.
ch-j?
It's more like j soba, not too much,
It's between a j and a ch
Yeah.
somehow, but I can't
The
put them both
kuita,
together.
the kuita cha.
I'm American.
J. Yeah, it's like a J sound. The kuita cha. Say.
La quita j. See, I can make the j, I can make the ch, I can't make the j-ch. J-ch, ch-j.
Okay,
You try
guys.
it at home. See if you can make the ch sound.
Yeah,
Jaw.
so it's trying to say jaw, the kuita jaw, see how it sound. And if you want, you can leave a link, in the comment section so we can check it out. Yeah. So okay, alright guys, so we all set now. So thanks for watching. We'll
Goodbye.
see you guys later. Bye bye.